Welcome to Cool Care Corporation, manufacturer and supplier of AC and refrigerator spare parts. The company was incorporated in 2001. At Nagpur, we serve to commercial and household areas. Transparent business policies, competitive prices, and efficient services are the plus points of our organization. We offer a diverse range of airflow controllers, clamp meters, and condenser coils. Our Axial fans, spare parts, and Drier filters are superior in performance. Clamp meters and condenser coils offered by us are well known for their functionality. We also provide expansion valves, pipes, and fittings that are highly durable. Refrigerant gases, tools, and compressors are widely acclaimed in the market. Our airflow controllers and plate-type heat exchangers are cost-effective. To get more information, log on at www.coolcarecorporation.net.